Some of the most powerful aging accelerators in your body aren't visible. They're hormones. But the good news is there is a metaphysical way to rebalance them by choosing peace, presence, and conscious practices over chaos. In this video, I'll reveal the 4 hidden hormones that age you and how to calm, clear, and reverse their damage naturally. Hi, I'm Dr. Blythe. I am a metaphysician, a wellness educator, and a passionate advocate for radiant self-healing. When it comes to aging, we often focus on skincare and supplements, but the real culprits are hormonal imbalance triggered by modern life. Sugar, stress, late nights, and even emotional patterns like frustration silently spike hormones that break down your beauty, your sleep, your metabolism, and your mood. So today I will guide you through 4 hidden aging hormones and how you can reverse their effect using metaphysical wisdom that taps into your body's innate natural intelligence. Because you are a God technology, your body's amazing. It knows how to balance always. We just have to give it what it needs. So let's start with cortisol, your body's stress hormone. Cortisol isn't bad unless it's chronically elevated, which most women are dealing with every day. Cortisol surges when you're in fight or flight, when you're rushing, when you're overcaffeinated, when you're scrolling, worrying, dealing with crazy kids, dealing with messes, and doing everything for everyone else. Sound familiar? It does for me. But high cortisol stores fat, especially in the belly, and it breaks down collagen and it depletes our energy, causing brain fog, and it shrinks our telomeres that keep our cells young. So the metaphysical fix is to choose peace. It's not passive, it's powerful. And in the moment of frustration, you just pause and you breathe and you decide to be calm instead of chaotic. And you instantly shift your biochemistry in that moment. When you decide to be calm in the chaos, you instantly begin lowering cortisol. Up next is insulin, the sugar signal. When you eat carbs, especially processed sugars, your body releases insulin to escort glucose out of the cells. But when you eat too often or too much or too late, insulin stays high. That leads to inflammation, weight gain, and skin aging, all the markers of accelerated aging. So excess wine or refined carbs are double trouble. They not only spike insulin, but they impair your liver's ability to detox other hormones. So the metaphysical fix is to practice mindful eating. Bless your food. Eat in peace. Chew slowly. These spiritual eating habits train your body to respond differently and use fuel more efficiently. Now let's talk about estrogen, the feminine hormone. But too much, especially the wrong kind, causes weight gain, water retention, and estrogen dominance. This can be triggered by too much alcohol, poor liver detox, plastic exposure, the umpteen toxins that are in personal care products, and also overeating. But also by stuck emotions, especially when we suppress our truth. See, energetically, estrogen thrives on flow. When we don't express ourselves or when we people please and suppress, estrogen builds up in this way. The metaphysical fix? Speak your truth gently. Move your body every day. Detox emotionally and physically. Get your greens. If you need help with that, there's an amazing nutritional reset, green drink, and complete kit. All 100% organic, whole superfoods, nothing synthetic, no fillers. Take a look at the description for the Ultimate Transformation Kit. There's a link below, and that is an amazing, optimal nutritional reset, because when you have optimal nutrition, that equals happy estrogen. All right, hormone number 4, melatonin, the sleep hormone. This is one of your strongest anti-aging allies. It's a master antioxidant and cellular repair agent. but only when produced naturally. Blue light, late night stress, and alcohol all disrupt melatonin. Without it, you don't sleep deeply. And without deep sleep, your body can't repair. Thus, aging ensues. So what's the metaphysical fix? Turn your evenings into sacred rituals. Dim the lights, journal, meditate, do gentle breath work. Invite the peace that unlocks the deepest healing. If you have a partner, enjoy partner massage and love making. Release all those love chemicals in the system too. That's very anti-aging. So let's recap the 4 hidden hormones that, if out of balance, will age you, and their metaphysical fix. Cortisol, choose peace, always. Peace, forgiveness, always in the moment. Insulin, eat in presence. Estrogen, express and flow and get your greens. And melatonin, create sacred evenings. When you shift your energy, your hormones follow. Because aging isn't just physical, it's vibrational. Which one of these are you most excited to start working on? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing your insights. If this video spoke to you, be sure to subscribe to my channel and share it with a friend who's ready to glow from the inside out. And if you have a question about hormones or your self-healing journey or vitality or your creatorship or how to jack into your genius, please ask a question in the comments. I personally read and respond. Bye for now. I'll see you next week. Bye for now.